Okay, YouTubers, so welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into another update on the Tekton website. So recently I released a video on the punch and chisel organizer. They have their USA made punches and chisels, and they released a roll pouch for it now, so that is really nice. Like I say in that video a lot, they listen to their customers, and that's what customers wanted, and that's what they provided us. And they've done that a lot. That's what I love. I love the 10% back in rewards, the warranty that can't really be competed with on the market. There's not a whole lot of tool companies that make it as easy as Tektin does. They provide you with a good quality tool for a good price. So here you can see that punch and chisel set that I was talking about. Free shipping in the US and Canada. And then they recently, in the last few months, started the whole build your own sets, like the ratchets, the screwdrivers, the pliers, and now they have added the build your own socket organizer. Now, they use the Ernst Socket Boss. It's a USA made socket organizer, and I have these. I bought them from Ernst before Tektin, I think before I even knew about Tektin, so it was years and years ago. And they've held up very well, and I really enjoyed the organizers. The only other one I would ever switch to probably is the Westling aluminum rails, and I've stated that multiple times. So when you click on this, they also have a lot of other USA made organizers, but build your own socket system. So when you buy 3 or more rails, when you click add, you get $3 off each, and then each one that you additionally add to that. And then you get a free socket label sheet with any items, so whenever you purchase it, you get a free label sheet. You'll see that right down here. So here, it's so you can kind of stick it on, and truthfully, the stickers, I'd say out of the probably 150 that I put on there, 5 have fell off. You really got to make sure it sticks on there. Probably not the best way to label a socket organizer, but I'd rather it be this than have a bunch of pre-labeled areas and then me have to find those sockets to fill those spaces so my OCD doesn't drive me nuts. Not a big deal, but I do like this. I like that you can get 8-inch rails, 13-inch rails, 18-inch rails, and then you can get it in a 2-tray system or a 3-tray. This is for the 18-inch rails. And then you have your trays up here for the 13-inch, and then the 8 inches don't have a tray. So let's just build a rail real quick. So add. It should be at $30. Knocks it down to $21 for the 3. And then you can buy your tray, and it's $28. And the other thing that's nice is you can select whether you want 1/4 inch, 3/8, and you can buy more of these clips if you have smaller sockets. Let's say 1/4 inch, you have a lot of 1/4 inch, you can actually scoot them closer together, add more clips, and go on your way. So see, you can buy clip sets, 5 clips in each, whatever drive size you want. They even have up to 3/4 inch drive. And then I have these as well, and these attach to the rails, and they are great for holding extensions or ratchets right there in your socket organizer. If you guys haven't checked it out, check out one of my toolbox tours or any of my other videos, and you'll see them in use. Overall, a great organizer. Really enjoy them. And the other thing that I like is you have this tab over here, so everything clicks in, locks in place, so you can literally turn the organizer upside down. All of the clips are twist locked, so your sockets stay locked on, so you can hang the whole thing upside down and not have to worry about a socket falling off. So you can grab the whole tray and go, or if you just want, let's say you have it set up for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive on each rail. Let's say you just need the 3/8, you simply push this tab right up here at the top, and then you slide the rail, and then it simply pops out of the tray. So you can grab just one instead of running back and forth from your toolbox to your car, toolbox to the car. You just grab what you need and go. It makes it super easy. And once again, another USA made organizer, which I really like. And I just like the way they have this all set up, and then they have color coordination as well. I do, red as metric or SAE, black is the opposite. I have red and blue, so blue is all my metric, red is my SAE, so I would probably do black metric, SAE red, and then I would probably do the gray as Torx or Allen's or any kind of specialty socket, so I know exactly where everything is. And I really like the fact that they've done this, and I like the fact that they have 3/4 inch clips. I had no idea. I don't use 3/4 inch stuff, but I do like that they offer that. That's pretty cool. And I like that it's $3 off anything that you add as long as you purchase 3 items. So let's remove this and just do a 2 rail system. You're looking at 26. Nope. Let's remove that guy. So you got 2 rails and your tray at $19. That is a really good deal. Plus, it's got that lifetime warranty as well. So just keep that in mind. I just wanted to quickly mention that and show it to you guys. It's a great little setup, and I like how Tekton is putting together these little build-your-own sets, and it saves you money. So let me know your guys' thoughts if you guys have used the Ernst organizers or if you purchased the Tekton ones. They're the same, but different color options and all of that. So another thing to keep in mind if you do get this set and you have the room, I really enjoy these little clip organizers for your ratchets and extensions. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts if you've used either one. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.